How does it feel being here in honor of Jim Mora and his foundation as far as count on me?
You know, one thing I love about coaches and players who have foundations, who give back to the communities for a great cause, you have to support people like that. I've known Jim for quite a long time, and all his resources and time he's putting back in to give back to the community, and you have to support him that way.
Fantastic. And how's your golf game?
My golf game is inconsistent, kind of military golf, left, right,
Okay.
but we're going to enjoy ourselves, I know that.
Yeah, that's the main thing, enjoy yourself.
That's right.
Well, let's talk about your highlight career. What would you say would be one highlight that you say, that was me at my best?
You know, I don't know. It's hard for me to even talk about myself. So, you know, I had a good career. I had some great coaches, a lot of talented players around me too. Taught me a lot about football. It's hard to take one thing to talk about it. I played 17 years.
Right.
So, but you know, winning the Super Bowl in Baltimore was a highlight. Everybody wants to be the best at what they do, and that one year in 2000, I accomplished that.
And talk about, what was the key to your success? What made you successful? What was the core motivation in you?
Well, I think that my motivation, I'm a competitor at nature, so that helps. But I think one of the main things for me is that after about my third weekend in Pittsburgh, Chuck Noll told me, this game's not played physical, it's played mental. And it's the guys who can get it mentally and apply that back to the field on game day, those guys separate themselves from the average players. And that stuck with me throughout my whole career.
And was that a total aspect, physical, spiritual, mental? Was that a combination of all those?
Yeah, it has to be. I think it's hard to be immature outside of football and to be mature on the field. That's just hard to do. I think the more mature you are outside of football, it translates to the field. And me personally, you know, I'm a spiritual man. I believe in with my Lord and Savior, so that's helped me, you know, keeping grounded, rooted in what's right.
Fantastic. Well, you want to give yourself a shout out where we can find you?
Ron Woodson 26 on Twitter.
Fantastic.
All right.
Gary T.
Yeah.